Okay, so we'll be doing some rounding of decimal numbers into the nearest whole number. Okay, so as a reminder, the decimal point separates the whole number from the part of the whole. Numbers to the left are whole numbers, and numbers to the right are part of the whole. Okay, so for example, this number 42 and 518 thousandths. That 42 is the whole number for this number, right? 42 is the number to the left of the decimal point. Okay, so in order for us to round this into the nearest whole number, check the number on the tens place. Okay, so for 42.518, what is the number on the tens place? It's 5, right? Okay, so you check the number of the tens place. If it's less than 5, then 42 stays as 42. But if it is equal or greater than 5, then you round it up to the next number. So in this case, since 5 is equal to 5, so therefore 42 becomes 43. So 43 is the whole number now. Okay, so let's try some of these examples. 2.489. So the whole number is 2. And the number in the tenths value is 4, so that's less than 5, so that number stays as 2. Okay, how about 6,985.26? Okay, so the whole number there, the ones digit is 5, and the tens digit is 2, so 2 is less than 5, so therefore that stays as that. Okay, the next two, 29.51 or 510 thousandths. So 9 is your ones digit, and your tenth digit is 5. So that since that's 5, so 29 becomes 30, because the next number to 29 is 30. How about the next one? 56.500 or 56 and 500 thousandths or 56 and 5 tenths. Since your whole number is 6, and the next number to the right is 5, and 5 is equal to 5, so that goes up, becomes 57. Okay, so this lesson is actually really easy, I'm sure. Okay, so the previous slides we were doing rounding decimal numbers to the nearest whole number. This time we'll be rounding to the nearest tenths. Okay, so first to determine what is the number on your tenths place. So for this number, we have 5 is in the tens place. Next, you need to find out about the number to the right of 5. So the number to the right of 5 is 1. Okay, you have to find out the number on the hundredths digit. The hundredths digit, if it's less than 5 or if it's greater than or equal to 5. Okay, so if it's greater than or equal to 5, you're rounding it up to the next tenths. If it's not, then you retain the number to the original tenths. Okay, so this is your number, original number. We'll round it to the nearest tenths. Since 1 follows 5, so this stays as 42.5. Okay, so that's the. Alright, so let's try this one. 2.498. So the number to the in your tenths digit is 4, but the number that follows that is 8. So therefore 4 goes up, it becomes 2.5. How about this one? Okay, the number to the tenths digit is 2, but the number that follows that is 6. So that becomes 0.3. How about the next one? 29.510. Your tenths digit is 5, but it is followed by 1, so it stays as 29.5. And how about this one? 56.55. Your tenths digit is 5. It's followed by 5. Since it's followed by 5, and we say that if it's equal to 5 or greater than 5, you round it up to the next one. So this becomes 56.6. Okay, so the next one will be rounding to the nearest hundredths. So we'll be doing the same idea. Alright, for this number, our hundredths place, the number in our hundredths place is 1. So that's the one that we need to round up or down. Okay, so the number next to that is 8. So you have to check your thousands place if it's less than or equal or greater than 5. If it's less than, then you retain the hundreds place. If it's equal or greater than 5, then you round it up to the next hundreds place. So for this case, since our hundreds place is 1 followed by 8, it is changed to 42.52. Let's do some example. Oops. Okay, I have not written that one right. Okay, anyway. So you have 2.489. Your hundreds place is 8, but it's followed by 9. So that becomes 2.49. Next one, hundreds place is 6, followed by 5. So that goes up. So that becomes that becomes 6,985.27. Alright, next one, hundreds place is 1, followed by 0. So it stays the same. Right, and next one, 56.556. Okay, so 5 is followed by 5, therefore it goes up. So you have 56.56. How about this one? Next one, 2.995. Your hundreds place is 9, which is followed by 5, so therefore you should get 9 up to the next one, but the next one to that is 10. And so you carry it to the next number and carry it to the next. So therefore, that's just a 3. Okay, so we may need to practice some more of these problems, and we'll do that when we get to school. Alright, bye.